this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can permanently delete your iCloud account. You may choose to permanently delete your iCloud account due to privacy, security, transitioning to another service, or simplifying your digital life. This ensures removal of all associated data from Apple's servers, but it's important to back up any essential information beforehand, as the process is irreversible and results in permanent data loss. To do this, simply head into your Safari. On appleid.apple.com, go ahead and sign into your Apple ID. On this page, you will have to tap on this arrow right here. Then select the option of privacy. Scroll down into the section of your data right here. Then you will have to tap on Manage Your Data. It's highlighted in blue. It will take you to this page where you will have to scroll down to the very end. You will see this option of Delete Your Account. Tap on Request to delete your account. Put in mind that this option can't be undone and all your data will be permanently deleted. You can choose to temporarily deactivate your account. You will not be able to access your account or any Apple apps until you manually activate it back. Your data won't be deleted. So that's how easy it is to delete your iCloud account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to hit that like button as it much helps for the channel growth. Check out on these other informative tutorials like this one.